Hi, Mr. Happy Time. Totoo ba? Hi, OMG. Hi, Go. Glow flows. Hi, Jojo. Thank you for Type Shiro. Grabing init ba din? Super kainit. Eric Gonzalez. Hi, Alberto. Super init talaga ngayon, guys. Legit. Hi, Nat Nathan. Nat Nathan. Hi, Rosie. Outcase. Anong halaka? Ba't napahalaka ka? Nat Nathan, thank you for top. Hi, ATL. ATL? Sikyo. Sisyo or Sikyo. George Gomez. Hello. Hi, Sydney. Hi, 106 ID. Hello, ma'am. Hello po. Nat Nathan, thank you for follow. I'm gonna follow you back. Let me see. Yeah. Hi, Minten, 19. Virgil, Bean. At Virgil, ano niyan? Ate ko. Shiro, thank you for 100 taps. Ay, 500 pala. Hello, Nat Nathan. Can you follow me back? Cause I can reply your message on my main account. Follow me back on my second. I'll up this here. I'll join the second account. I'll say, hindi ako makareply sa hi niya. Yeah. Follow me back here, Nat Nathan, so I can reply your message. Yeah, can you follow me back here? Because I saw your message here on my live, but I can't reply. Nag-hi siya. Hindi mo lang tayo makareply, kainis kasi. So we can say hello. So we're being, thank you, Nathan, being approachable here. Ay, hello pala. Anong help? Hello, I mean hello. Thank you, Nathan. Hi, Zebra. Hmm. Uy, bit ayaw. Ayaw niya magpa-reply. It's just shut down. Wait lang. Diyan lang kayo, guys. I'll be back. The phone just shut down. It didn't just warning, guys. Hindi na siya nag-warning. Saka na nag-shutdown na lang siya totally. Nag-shutdown siya. The phone just shut down itself. Sorry about that. I just opened. Hi, Leon. That's why it won't allow me to reply. Wait lang, guys. Wait. I'll just reply to your message. Thank you for 100 taps, not Nathan. Hi, Michael. Hi, Habib. Yeah, it won't allow me. 2 hours ako mag-live. Pala ko dyan. Kaizen. Sino to? How old are you? 122 already. I'm old enough. Eme. Hi, Cameron Cito. Hello, darling. Darling talaga. Pablo. Hi, Nick. I'm searching for a Wi-Fi right now. Ako si Mon, Shawi. Hi, Nat Nathan. Welcome back. Hi, Luke. Wala na si Nat Nathan. So sad. Edit pa naman, guys. Hi, Hevali. Kulay. Hello, Kulay. Ano to? Auto nose. Wow, auto nose. Hi, Mahal 143. Hi, David. Hi, Baratimor. Hi, Nope. Thank you for follow. Wala ko FB, te. Hi, Shiro. Wala akong FB. Ano. Thank you, Kevin. That's for 1K to quota. Thank you, Kevin, for follow also. Tap nyo na lang. Tap the live. Hi, DAP. Ala, thank you, Kevin in love. Kevin love pala. Kevin, I can't reply you in your message. Can you follow me back on my second account so I can say hi to you too? Winfred, follow back me here. Follow me back here, I mean. Kevin, hi Don. Grabe yung pawis ko na te. So I can reply your hi. Hi Rano. Hi Phoenix. Can you follow me back here, Kevin? Mr. Beans, hello. So I can reply your message. Grabe si Mr. Beans nandito. Thank you, Kevin. Bye, Chiro. Thank you for your tap. Hi, Tio Ping. Hi, Wei. Hi, Kendrick. Hi, Nat Nathan. Welcome back. Ay, grabe siya. Hi, Kendrick. Thank you for tap. Thank you, Kevin. I didn't see that. I'm gonna fix my bangs right now. So fucking annoying. Ponpon. Halati, hindi niya pa rin alam. Hi, bye, Chiro. Hala, ba't ganun? Internet. The banks is not giving. It's to ano. Hatori. Grabe. It's so fucking annoying, guys. Banks ko ba din? Parang maraming bang. Puerto Rico. Hi, Aaron Judge. Di ko maintindihan English niya, ti. Mag-end live ako later. Hi, Rose. Hi, Kulay. The banks is not giving talaga, B. I hate banks when it's too hot. Hi, Jonkies. Yeah. The banks is not giving when it's too hot. You know that? Hi, Birdman. Hi, Mark Leo. Who's this? Sino to si Kulay? Ano na? Anong meron? Hi, Ismael. Hi, Shadow. Shadow Kiro. Dustin. Hindi kita ma-replyan Kulay. Second account lang ako nagre-reply. Parang siya na. Hi, Wei. Thank you for that. Only you, Shawi. Hi, Omar. Jablo. Sino ba si Kevin? Ay, si Kulay. Grabe siya, ti. Baka talaga, ti. Init ba ding? Magaligo talaga pagtapos nito. Hi, Elio. Dahil sobrang init. Brian, kitang-kita nyo naman. Hi, Mr. Saki. Hi, Kai.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak.